In the afternoon, Maya plants a few dry beans in a small pot near the window. She wonders, will these hard little things ever change? She presses one with her finger. It feels lifeless. The next morning, she checks the pot. She predicts nothing would happen so soon. But the soil looks lifted in a small bump. 2 days later, a tiny white root pokes downward. She whispers, "How did something so dry come alive with just water?" Soon, a small shoot appears. Maya thinks, "Is this the beginning of a whole plant?" She touches it gently. It stands on its own. Leaves unfold slowly across the week. She wonders, why does every plant she grows begin with this tiny step? Maya moves the pot outdoors. The seedling grows taller and adds more leaves. She predicts the shape will stay the same, but each week, new parts appear. On her balcony, a bigger plant shows a tiny green bud. She wonders, is this the next stage after leaves? The bud slowly opens into a bright yellow flower. She whispers, "Flowers always arrive after the plant grows strong, never before." She sees bees visit the flower. She predicts the flower will stay the same for days, but by the end of the week, the petals begin to fall. Where the flower once was, a small round fruit begins to grow. Maya wonders, does every flower always turn into something else afterward? Weeks later, the fruit cries at the top. Maya gently opens it. Inside are tiny seeds. She wonders, how did these arrive where the flower once stood? She shakes the dry fruit. Several seeds fall out onto her hand. She predicts they will look like the original beans, but they are smaller, darker, and many more in number. Maya plants one of the new seeds in fresh soil. She thinks, will this one repeat everything the first seed did? In a few days, another bump appears in the soil. A new root grows, a new shoot rises, and new leaves open. She whispers, it's happening in the same order again. Now, whenever Maya sees a flower, a fruit, or even a single seed, she quietly asks, where did it come from? And what will come next? She cannot unnotice how a plant's life follows the same repeating cycle. Seed, seedling, plant, flower, fruit, seed again. Watch life first, then open the book. Signing off from Cognitive Arc. Bye for now.